Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how to prepare healthy homemade chicken burger which is similar to McDonald's burger. So first we need to chop onion, tomato, cucumber and iceberg. Then cut the burger bun into two slices and heat it on the pan with butter. Now let's prepare fried egg on it with salt and pepper sprinkled on it. I'm using goat cheese which is healthy and tasty. So this is fried chicken prepared at home and I'll share you this recipe in my next video. Now first we need to apply mayonnaise on the bigger slice of the burger bun, then put iceberg on it. And top it with the fried chicken, onion and cucumber. Then on the other slice apply tomato sauce and put fried egg on it and then cheese layer over it. And add tomato slices, cucumber over it and put it over the other slice. If you want, instead of fried chicken, you can use chicken salami which is easily available. And now heat it in the oven for 30 seconds so that cheese starts melting and it tastes more delicious. Let's take it out and garnish it with a healthy salad. So this is simple, healthier, cost effective and tasty homemade chicken burger. You can use different breads like brown bread instead of burger bun and prepare homemade healthy chicken sandwich as shown in the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.